Are you also stuck when you edit 4K videos but आपके पीसी की भी वॉट लग जाती है? हर बार प्लेबैक में वीडियो अटक जाती है, बहुत सारे लैग आते हैं एंड आउट ऑफ बजट टू अफोर्ड अ न्यू पीसी और टू अपग्रेड इट but still want to edit and deliver it to clients on time? So here are few hacks. The first thing you can do is create proxy. To do so, right click on the footage in your bin and go to proxy and click on create proxy. Basically proxy आपकी ओरिजिनल फुटेज की कॉपी है जो लो रेजोल्यूशन में सेव होती है ताकि प्रीमियर उसे क्विकली एक्सेस कर सके, ताकि आप एडिटिंग कर सकें एकदम फर्राटे से. Now in the proxy preset menu, click on any one of the following. For me, ProRes Resolution Proxy सबसे मस्त काम करते हैं एंड आई प्रीफर लोकेशन टू बी नेक्स्ट टू ओरिजिनल मीडिया. बट एक और तरीका है जिससे प्रीमियर आपकी वीडियोस की प्रॉक्सी बना देगा जब भी आप वीडियो इंपोर्ट करेंगे. टू डू सो, गो टू द फाइल, देन प्रोजेक्ट सेटिंग, देन ingest setting एंड देन enable the ingest. Open the drop down menu and select create proxy and in the preset menu choose the desired format whatever you like. As you know, for me ProRes low resolution proxy works better. Now click OK and the media encoder will automatically create proxy whenever you import the video. क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात. अब proxy के साथ कैसे काम करें? Go to the program monitor button, click the plus sign and find and drag the toggle proxy button with other buttons. And with this button, you can toggle between proxy footage and original footage. Turn on the proxy and edit your video. And when you are done editing, just turn off the proxy and render your video. क्या बात और क्या ही बात. Now go and edit your video even faster. How fast करना है पीसी को? So here is one more trick. You can clear cache memory to make your Premiere run faster. Go to Edit, Preferences, then go to Media Cache. When the pop-up appears, just click delete this. This will clear all the cache files and will make some room for the Premiere to work even more smoother. Also, you can do one more thing. What happens जब हमारा प्रोजेक्ट और कैश फाइल्स की जगह एक ही ड्राइव में होती है तो ड्राइव स्लो हो जाती है. तब we should change the path of the cache to a different drive. That will give Premiere Pro to take full advantage and speed of the drive to read and write. Click Edit, go to Preferences, click Media Cache and in Location select other drive rather than a drive where your project file is. और अब आपका प्रीमियर कभी कभी इसलिए भी स्लो हो जाता है क्योंकि शायद आप आधे से ज्यादा फुटेज यूज ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. To remove such footages, go to Edit and click on Remove Unused. अब कई बार आप एक ही फाइल को कई बार इंपोर्ट कर लेते हैं तो उसके लिए गो टू एडिट, क्लिक ऑन कंसोलिडेट डुप्लीकेट्स. ये क्या करेगा, आपकी सारी डुप्लीकेट फाइल्स को मर्ज करके एक कर देगा जिससे आपका प्रीमियर थोड़ा फास्ट हो जाएगा. तो फिर से क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात. नाउ सपोज यू मेक एन आफ्टर लेयर एंड डिड योर एनिमेशन बट इट इज स्टिल choppy while playing. What you can do is duplicate the layer by pressing the Alt key and the left mouse key, click and drag and drop, and then right click on the duplicate layer and click render and replace. This will make the playback even more smooth. I made the duplicate because it will always have the original After Effects comp. If I'll need to make any changes, I can make it easily. Next thing you can do is use the FX toggle button. Simply go to the program monitor, click the plus sign and drag and drop the FX toggle button with the other buttons. Turn this off and all the effects from the timeline will be turned off. And when you are done your editing, turn this on and render your video and enjoy the final output. Now this is the setting that needs to be done with your graphic card to optimize to its fullest. Right click on the desktop and select NVIDIA control panel. In the pop-up window, select adjust image setting with preview and select use the advanced 3D image setting. Now choose manage 3D setting. Choose program setting and from the drop down menu choose Adobe Premiere Pro. Next change texture filter quality, set it to high performance, set trilinear optimization to on and threaded optimization to on and anisotropic sample optimization to on and your OpenGL to your GPU and hit apply. Now last setting, otherwise all this setting will not work at all. Click on the file, go to the project setting and click on general. And make sure GPU acceleration is turned on. This will make your GPU बोले तो graphic card the in charge of your Premiere Pro. और फिर से क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात. Now your PC is running at its fullest. Go and create something interesting and let me know in the comment if you want particular tutorial on something. I will help you out with the same. Go and create. See you in the next tutorial or the next video.